I wanted to give you a demonstration of the ARDAP, Flea and Pest fumigator. It is recommended generally with these things that you preventatively use them every 6 months, or of course if you do get a infestation you would obviously use it there, and the results last about 6 weeks. Now it has to be very clear, this is serious business, these are serious chemicals. There are a plethora of warnings on the back which you must heed. It's very important, things to do with the ventilation, your existing pets, not having it near water, but there is an absolute ton of information on this. So before you go ahead and use it, do read that and understand what you're doing and how serious the chemicals are. I'm going to apply the fumigator to one in every single room of my house, just so that I can get it all nipped in the bud. I've got cats, I've treated those separately directly. They will not be in the room when I apply the fumigator. I'm going to follow the instructions on here and then dispose of the packaging as it is advised. I've used this before plenty of times. Unfortunately, it is a reoccurring problem when you've got pets that like to go outside, and it's been very successful. Hopefully it'll be successful for you. But yeah, overall I think it's a really great product. It does the job it's supposed to do. I'm going to try and get in the habit of being preventative rather than treating the problem. And yeah, totally great little product. And yeah, hopefully it's been really helpful and I recommend it.